This episode is brought to you by Whop. My name is Nova. Welcome to Sneakers to Riches. On the first, I attempted to go for some Kentucky Dunk lows, but ended up striking out. Haven't gone for Bodega in a while, so I forgot that they didn't enforce anti-bot, so I did not set up correctly. We took that quick L, but all good. Made one sale today. Anyways, it's the first of the month, so we do have to pay our renewal fees. As far as setup is concerned, nothing really has changed, so we'll go ahead and add those to our expenses. Today we have Dunk Low Lottery in the Fog Gray colorway dropping, and yes! Ladies and gentlemen, we got one! These are today's sales. And these are the shoes that came in the mail. Earlier today, I copped two of the We The Best DJ Khaled Jordan 5s. It's supposed to be a bit of a big deal that I copped these, but at the same time, I feel like nobody really wants these. Although the price point is hovering currently between $375 to $600. I don't know, I don't really know what to think of this shoe, but hopefully I can sell it for a good price. Speaking of sales though, I did manage to sell these two Panda Dunks on eBay. So I'm gonna go ahead and ship that out. Today is a huge day. Panda Dunks restocking. And at the same time, SB Dunk Low Why So Sad is dropping on Nike as well. Here we go. Wait, I got a notification. I got one. Oh, I just did another one. That was pretty late. Super successful drop. 9 Panda Dunk Lows and 1 Why So Sad SB Dunks. And today's sales. Sold Olive Dunks, sold UCLA Dunks, and then I had a couple of sales on Flight Club as well. Today, Jordan 7 Trophy Room is dropping. We're gonna go for a few of these. Let's see how I do. I got the climb. I got the climb. I got one! Yo, let's go! 2, 3! 3 checkouts, not too bad. Also, today made 2 sales. Sold a few dunks, but other than that, not a whole lot going on today. Today we got USC Dunks dropping on the Nike app. But first, a word from our sponsor. If you want to learn how to bot, finding a community of botters ready to give you a helping hand is paramount to your success. Whop is basically Amazon for cook groups, complete with different price ranges, customer reviews, and free trials. Be sure to check them out to find a community that will elevate your reselling career. Guys, I knew it! I knew it! I got 3. Alright, got 3 dunks today, and I sold 2 dunks today. And the shoes that came in today are the Why So Sad Dunks. Today I sold this pair of dunks and have a few sales on Flight Club. We got a lot of shoes that came in, mostly dunks, some late shipments of the Jordan 4s. Of course, the sales for today, 3, 2, 1. Another day with no drop, but a few sales were made. Another day with no drop, but these are the shoes that came in today. Sold a bunch of shoes today, mostly dunks and also these Jordan 5 DJ Khaleds. I sold these for a really good price, especially considering the fact that these plummeted in price by a lot. I still have to sell my other pair before they restock again, so yeah, we'll see how much those will go for. Behind me we have the sales for today, a bunch of dunks and Jordan 4s. As you can tell, with the exception of Panda Dunks, all of these releases were just minor releases. This is the calm before the storm, because up next we got Amamangir 4s, Jordan 1 Lost and Founds, and more. Don't miss it.